Hi, welcome to today's edition of how to use the iPad to schedule an online class. So we're going to be using the Cisco WebEx application. You can go ahead and go to the Apple Store and download this. And the great use of this application is assuming you've been working on a class and you want something really quick but don't have access to a computer, what you could do is launch this application. And what I would do is send you the meeting number and we can go ahead and schedule a conferencing session where we can go ahead and use this via a mobile device. Okay, now this can also work with the iPhone as well, so if you don't have access to an iPad, you can still also use the iPhone, and I can go ahead and patch you into my computer. Alright, so what I would do is go ahead and give you a meeting number, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that today. I'm going to press on join meeting number, and what's going to do is going to ask you for that number, and I'll usually send it through email, so as long as you check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And usually the meeting number is fairly easy, and there's no password unless I specify one for you. And what it's going to do right now is it's going to patch me into my home computer. And how that works is that I'm going to be delivering the lesson to you via this mobile device. Okay, so what you're looking here is the gas law, and most of the time I'm going to have the slides. So let's go to the next slide. And what you'll see is a problem solving session, and what that's going to do is you can go ahead and highlight certain words, numbers, and things like that, just as if you were working on a mobile device, on a regular device. So if you go to the next slide, I can go ahead and present to you the solution along with the answers as well. So this could be a homework problem, it could be anything that you want me to work on. So as you can see from there, I can kind of address certain problems or solve a certain question that you may have or emailed me on the fly. Okay, great. So that kind of wraps it up for this editions of the iPad. And again, this can also work with the iPhone as well, so you're not just limited to a tablet.